Are you ready to transform your trickle of Google reviews into a torrent of positive feedback that skyrockets your business? First, log into your Highlevel account and navigate to the Reputation Management tab on the left-hand side menu. This is your command center for all things review-related. Next, click on the Request Review button. This is where the magic begins. Now you can manually type in a customer's name, email, or phone number to send an individual review request, making sure to personalize the message to increase engagement. To automate this process and save tons of time, head over to the Automation workflow. Here, you can set up triggers based on specific events, such as a purchase or service completion. Create a new workflow. Select a relevant trigger like appointment booked, then add an action to send a review request SMS or email, customizing the message and setting a delay to ensure customers have had time to experience your service. Under the Reviews tab, you'll find all the Google reviews your business has received. You can easily read and respond to them directly from Highlevel, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your customers and address any concerns. Remember, responding to both positive and negative reviews shows you care about your customers and are committed to providing excellent service with Highlevel. Managing your Google reviews becomes a breeze, ultimately boosting your online reputation and attracting more customers.